thought I'd just do a video using this Xtool D8 on this 2007 Fiesta diesel. I just want to show you, there's been a few updates since I last used it, and this looks cool. Let me show. I don't know if it does this on every car, but yeah, it's detected. Oh, mark scan. You have this cool layout like this where it shows you all your ECUs being scanned and where. I think it's just a pretty cool little layout. I don't know if this just came with the recent update, or if it's just for this model, or just going to do this for every model. We can give it a go. But yeah, I thought it was quite cool. So the scanning is done, and we have 9 DTCs. So let's press DTC report, see what we get. Alright. Okay, I think these are a lot of old codes. Yes, I think these are old codes. But anyway, yeah, I thought I'd just give you a look. I'll clear all these. You can see it's wiping them all off there. Oh, one has remained. Let's see. Failure of ignition run accessory unit. Okay. Right, I'm gonna fire it up and see what happens. A little lumpy there. Failure of ignition run accessory circuit. I wonder what this one is. Can we find any more info? Nope. Okay. Instrument cluster. Strange. I'll have to look this code up and see what it is. Anyway, I thought I'd let you know what this tool can actually do on this vehicle. So this is, as I said, this is a Fiesta 2007 1400 diesel, 3-door. So if we go on each system, let's start with the PCM. We have all the live data, the trouble codes, and actuation test. So we have position of exhaust gas recirculation valve, fan 1 control signal. So we get actuation tests of that. Let's try this one, TCM. Come on. The device failed to communicate with the car ECU. Yep. Okay, so that doesn't look very compatible. ABS. We have an actuation test. There's quite a lot there. So there's quite a lot of actuation tests for fault finding there. On that, special functions, we got the bleed, interactive vehicle dynamics, IVD initialization sequence. So this is restraint control module, RCM, trouble codes, clearing, live data, the gem. We got actuation tests here, failure of a jaw, warning lamp, unlock. Let's try that. Okay. Why? Okay, so we may need the engine started for that one. Well, yeah, anyway, we have some tests there. Instrument cluster. So we have some special functions and an actuation test. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so we got a few here, as you can see. Let's go for all warning lamps. Energize. So if we energize that, everything should come on. So you can check there. De-energized. Yep. So there's just these handy little tests. Fuel gauge. What are we doing here? Just testing that it actually works. And off. Yeah. So there's some cool little things you can do. Speedometer. Just gives a little needle check. And off. So yeah, that's pretty handy little thing, special function, passive anti-theft system. I guess that's all the immobilizer and stuff. Odometer, right? So you can change, if you change clusters, you can change your odometer reading, but obviously you can't go any lower. You can only go the same or higher, equal amount or higher. What else? ACM, audio control. Right, trouble codes, live data. Electronic automatic temperature control. So here's your sort of climate control. Let's see what happens here. Nope, that one's not working. Speech recognition system. Don't think we have anything like that. SRM. It's gonna say nope. Come on. And nope. Yeah, so that's about it. You can, I mean, if you just press scan, it picks up the car quite quickly. And then you get these options. So Fiesta 3-door, and then it's got the detail. Oh, sorry, let's go back. Let's try that again. All right. Come on. Fiesta 3-door. And then you've got the details of the car there, so it's picked all that up. And then we go in, and you have, what else? So you've got an automatic scan, which you just did before, system selections, all the ECUs, whole vehicle dynamic detection. This function will read the requested trouble codes. Okay. Not sure what that is. Service, powertrain, service functions. What have we got here? Okay, maybe we have the software of the car issue to have access to this. So this looks like what we came up before, so it's just doubled up in this menu. Yeah, so I think a lot of the functions are doubled up in this menu. We've got programming, customization. Okay, let's just press OK. Installation of programmable module. Okay. Automatic recognition of programmable modules, manual selection. Okay, so it looks like we have some in the open position. Okay. Yeah, so I think we need the engine running for that one. Let's see what this one does. Just having a play. Nope, nothing. Come on. Hello. Oh, back to this menu. Right, so that's what we've got. So it looks like we can program some things here. Okay. Haven't really tried any of this, don't know what works. Odometer, right. Oh yeah. I think the ignition will need to be on for this. So I cancel that. Oh well, anyway. Vehicle information, we saw that before. Yeah, so basically just a little look at what this tool for this Ford seems to be able to do. And that's about it. It's a quick one. See you later.